Hi and welcome to my studio. Today we'll be drawing mandala using Procreate drawing guides set on two different symmetry guides. Let's begin by choosing drawing guides from the menu and tap on Edit Guides. We'll work with rotational symmetry and tap on Assisted Drawing. That means that whatever we draw, Procreate will duplicate. We can also pick the color of our drawing guides, change the thickness of the lines and the opacity of the lines. I'm starting with drawing very simple branches and adding leaves and flowers. Now this is a good way to draw a wreath and write something in the middle, or we can continue to draw in the middle and create a more intricate mandala. Your choice. The things to pay attention at this point is to the top of your page. It's a good idea to check every once in a while to see that you're drawing within the boundaries of your canvas. I'm using another type of symmetry guide to draw the center of the mandala, and I'll show you in a minute how I do this. Here you can work very loosely to create any kind of wriggly line and doodles and see what comes out. So let's see how it's done. Add a new layer and edit the drawing guides. This time we're going to uncheck the rotational symmetry. Play with it for a while until you have beautiful lines to work with. I'm adding more leaves and flowers because that's what I like to draw. It could be perfectly fine to just leave your squiggly lines and color the shapes without adding any more details. At this point, it's a good idea to work with separate layers for everything that you do, because it gives you more control over your work. To do that, add another layer and set the symmetry guides to the same setup as your previous layer. So for this one, you add drawing guides to your layer and uncheck your rotational symmetry. Thanks for joining me today. Hit the subscribe button to catch up with more art process videos and tutorials. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.